By the way. Oh, whoa. Dexter. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no plan, baby. You did it. Dexter.
Oh, hey there. Didn't see you there. Hey, YouTube. It's your girl Ken back with another video. Today, I'm just going to do a nice little hairstyle for when your hair is like dirty, but you don't feel like washing it. So you just do this hairstyle to go to school the next day or whatever, and then you can wash it that night. And it's just two curly buns at the top of my head like this. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay, so first I'm just going to take my hair out of this style here. I just have like two braids and I had it like tied up in this scrunchie in the back of my head. So I'm just going to take the braids out. Pretty simple, you know. Do you guys ever like find hidden bobby pins in your hair and you don't know where they came from? So once the braid is out, you want to part the rest of your hair down the middle. I don't know why that looks like that. Okay, so once your hair is parted down the middle, you can just section the other side off just to start working with this side. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle and spray like the top. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to position my hair to see where I want the ponytail to fall. So you just position your hair up to your liking. Then I take my Eco Styling gel and just spread the gel around the perimeters of my hair. Now you're just going to brush your hair to smooth it down. So you continue to brush until your hair is completely smoothed down, and then you're going to take 1 or 2 ponytail holders. I use 2. You're going to wrap it around into a ponytail, and I like to wrap it around 4 times so that it would be nice and tight, but whatever you prefer is fine. So now I'm repeating the same steps on the other side of my hair, taking out the braid, then I'm going to spray it with water, and then I'm going to apply the Eco Styling gel onto the perimeters of my hair. Again, I'm brushing down my hair so that I can smooth out the edges so you have no lumps and so that your edges are nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take my 2 ponytails again and make sure that the ponytails are in the same spot on each side so that they're even. And then you're just going to wrap the ponytail holder around 3 to 4 times. Oh my gosh. If you have thick hair, you know the struggle of getting that last loop through. Okay, so now it's time to make the buns. So what I like to do is just fold my hair over backwards like that, and then I put the ponytail holder around it, and then I twist the bun around to make it look more full. Once I do that, I just secure it with bobby pins and make it smaller if I like, and you just do that on both sides the same way. So now I'm going to take my Hicks edges, you can get this from the beauty supply store, and my toothbrush just to lay down my edges. You don't have to do your edges the same way that I do, but however you do your edges, just do that on this step. Then I have these little pieces of hair in the back that don't go into the ponytail because they're too short, so I just spray it with water, then curl it with my finger. Okay, so this is the finished look of the 2 curly buns. I'm gonna go closer so you can see details. And yeah, it wasn't hard at all. It's just put your hair in 2 ponytails, wrap it around to your liking, and put bobby pins in, and then do your edges to your liking. I'll show you the back in a sec. Here's the back. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a please. Ew. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please continue to subscribe, share, tell your friends, and all of that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.